Hello guys, in today's video, we're going to check out the best 5 leather tool belt on the market. I made this list based on my personal opinion. I've tried to list them based on their price, quality, durability and more. To find out more information about these tool belts you can check out the description below. Don't forget to subscribe to stay up to date with more tool holder information. Okay, so, let's get started with the video. At number 1, Occidental Leather 9855 Adjust to Fit Fat. If you are looking for the best leather tool belt, the Occidental Leather 9855 belt is absolutely perfect for you. This well-crafted and sturdy tool belt boasts bags made of canvas material but reinforced with a belt to further improve its durability. With the correct positioning of the two sides front pockets and bags, accessing your tools will be effortless. This tool belt is even possible for you to feel natural quickly once you start working with this belt. Its fat lip bag design makes the belt all the more convenient to use. Another impressive feature of this belt is that its bags boast a depth of up to 10 inches, making it truly possible for you to store all the tools. The pouch's lips are constructed out of thick and sturdy leather to ensure the quality and durability of the belt. This belt will fit well because both the bags and the belt itself are completely adjustable. At number 2, Custom Leathercraft 19427 Construction Work Apron. The Custom Leathercraft 19427 work apron comes with a premium design. It's featured with oiled, top-grain leather to withstand the punishment of your tools forever. Offering plenty of storage pockets, it ensures you carry and store all the tools you have. These include 4 main pockets that are big enough to hold many nails on other tools. It also comes with up to 8 smaller pockets and sleeves ideal for carrying items like nail sets, fit pliers, pencils, and such items. This belt can fit waist sizes ranging from 29 to 46 inch. You won't experience any problems fitting it around your waist. Its rugged buckles don't buckle under pressure for added belt convenience. At number 3, Occidental Leather 5191 LG Pro Carpenter's 5-bag assembly. This soft leather tool belt comes along with high-quality material like leather and polyester, which makes the belt absolutely strong and durable. The product features the large lip bag design, which exudes practicality. It draws attention most of the time because of its design and shape. This belt also has the 10-inch deep nylon bag with leather bottoms, which help you to organize the tools easily. This Occidental product also comes along with the D-rings, and that is why it is amenable with the suspension system. It features both small and large size pockets as well. At number 4, Stylencraft 98434 Pro Framers Combo. I highly recommend the Stylencraft 98434 Pro Framers Combo because it carries a lot of awesome features. This belt is offered by Stylencraft, which is known for being a high-quality and durable product constructed from leather. Its heavy-duty nylon thread and contrast stitching confirms its durability and strength. This bag comes with dark tan color, which makes it look elegant yet rugged. It also boasts of its versatile double pouch design composed of a total 17 pockets. This belt is also spacious and roomy. It features 6 interior pockets at the main pouch on the right side. You will find such 2 sides pockets useful if you need to hold small tools. You will love its metal hammer loop holder found at the center, as well as its 2 small pockets to hold pencils in the exteriors. In addition, it is equipped with rivets featuring caps that further improve the security of your items. The sturdiness of this product is also further improved with its contrast stitching, which makes use of heavy-duty and sturdy nylon thread. At number 5, Occidental Leather 5590M Commercial Electrician's Set. This Occidental Leather 5590M Commercial Electrician's Set is specially designed for electricians who are looking for a tools carrying unit that holds their tools. It comes with ample storage space, with some configuration options that makes the bag easy to use regardless of your working situation. Designed from high-quality leather, you'll surely use this belt for the rest of your jobs. The belt is easy to wear even when you overland it with items consistently. It's also a comfortable unit, and fits perfectly well around your site, giving you maximum efficiency at your job. Thanks for watching. I hope you liked the video. If you found it helpful, remember to leave a thumbs up and subscribe my channel to see more videos like this in future.